HobbyKidsTV.
I can't wait to go shopping with my new Shopkins shopping cart. You can store up to 60 Shopkins.
Once you shop, you can't stop. Here's what our whole box looks like. Aren't we just the cutest little things?
This shopping cart is so cute. It opens up just like a real shopping cart. Opens up in the back there too. And we'll put our 2 exclusive Shopkins in there. Curly fries.
Whee!
And whatever this is, something with sprinkles.
Whee! And a giant cheeseburger too. Barbie wants to buy us. Whee! And us too! Woohoo! This is a blast! We love going shopping. We love going shopping.
Hey girls, like what were you guys doing here? You guys shopping too? Yes, but actually we're on our way out. Yeah, and FYI, there's a crazy ice monster on the loose in the store. See, told ya. Like OMG, I am out of here.
You taste sticky.
Yay, we're saved! He's gone! Woohoo! We survived! I'm alive! We're all alive!
Now that the ice monster is gone, let's open up the surprise frozen egg. Can you hear that? What's inside?
We need your vote, hobby friends. Give this video a thumbs up, like, if you want us to do more chocolate egg videos, like the one I'm opening up right now. And if not, then leave your comments below of what kind of videos you want to see us do more of.
It's another troll. I'll add that to my collection.
Hey, we want to be with our Shopkins friends!
Goodbye, hobby fans. It was nice doing a show with you. Farewell.
Okay, that guy just gets weirder and weirder. Come on, Elsa, let's skedaddle. Wait up. I can't really get up. I kind of have no feet right now. I have to jump everywhere I go. Wait up, Anna.
Don't forget to vote and leave a like if you want more chocolate egg videos. Click on one of these videos to keep the fun going. Come on, hurry up! You don't want to miss it.